हेलो दोस्तों, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं। सो आज के दिन इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दिल्ली चुनाव का डेट अनाउंस कर दिया उन्होंने, जो कि हमारे 7 जनवरी को होने वाले हैं चुनाव दिल्ली में। वो भी चुनाव होंगे। जो मुख्य चुनाव आयोग ने आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उन्होंने बताया, जो दिल्ली में जो चुनाव होंगे वो एक फेज़ में ही ऑल ओवर दिल्ली में ख़त्म कर दिए जाएंगे 7 फरवरी को। आई हैव मेरे पास एक प्रश्न है, लाइक टू फॉर लाइक जो भी दिल्ली के वोटर्स हैं, वो मैं भी आई एम ऑल्सो वोटर ऑफ द ईस्ट दिल्ली, in particularly the Patparganj constituencies. In Patparganj, the Awadh Oza sir, he is a renowned teachers in the UPSC coaching industry, and he's nominated himself from the Patparganj Assembly elections. Earlier, the Mr. Manish Sisodia, that is the who is the Delhi Education Minister earlier, and in past in the Mr. Kejriwal governments. So I think that the people of Delhi must decide before voting any of the candidates. So if any candidates, whether it's any political party, you have to have at least 3 to 4 parameter in your mind. Based on that parameter, you should select or give your perform your voting right to a particular candidate. First of all, you have to see that in previous 5 years, who your people, your representatives or your MLAs, whatever work had done, and how they have helped you as a people representatives, whatever problems you are facing in your daily lives and public lives, like they have built or constructed the good roads in your areas or in your assemblies, constituencies. And second is that is they are providing good education facilities like schools for your children's, good quality of schools and good quality of educations is they are providing. If yes, then you can go with the your current or incumbent MLAs. Otherwise, you have to select or choose a good person that can work with you all around the 24 into 7 into 365 days of a years. So these are some good points. And another is that you can make also that how people are interacting is they are after winning the election, is they visiting your constituencies or interacting with peoples. If they are interacting with peoples, and how they are helping to their assemblies peoples, and which types of the support they are providing. Because in today's time we are seeing, when any MLAs or elected representatives got win in the elections, then they are not visible to the general peoples, and general peoples are doing lots of the stuffs in their lives, and they are not getting the benefits of the lots of the government benefits because of their personal rivalry. So let's take the examples, like the government of India has launched the Ayushman Bharat schemes. These schemes are nationwide schemes. So these schemes are applicable all across the India, and these schemes are made to help the people, so that they can get the cheapest medical treatment all across the India in private and government hospitals. But we are seeing that the government of Delhi and government of West Bengal has not implemented. On the other side, they have implemented their own schemes instead of implementing the nationwide schemes. That schemes the central government is providing 100%, 100% money to the state governments based on that. And We are seeing that a state government is doing their rivalry instead of collaborating with the central government to do the betterment of their general peoples or their state peoples and assembly peoples. They are fighting with the one another's. So this is not the good sign of the democracy. So as a peoples, as a voter of any of the particular constituencies, I will request you all to consider a good candidates so that they can help you out in your assemblies, and they can provide the basic necessities for living a better lifestyle like road, schools for your children's, good nutritions. Like many poor peoples don't afford to buy a one time meal in Delhi, so government have to start at least the midday meal kitchen like systems in many of the assembly constituencies, so that the many peoples and many peoples, they don't even earn one time good quality of food. They can eat some good quality food with nutrition values prescribed by the medical science. So I request all to support the person instead of party. Support the individual persons who are making difference in your constituencies, so that if we all are if we all are doing our rights and performing our rights for the good people and good human beings, then obviously then we are going to change our India as a great India. So that's all from my side, and let's wait for another episodes. I will going to cover it in Hindi language. So that's all from my side. Thank you once again, and please comment down your own opinions so that I can make my video on your next opinionated views of your alls. That's all. Thank you once again.